How to do the infinite score glitch on Subway Surfer. First you need to have a pogo at the beginning of your run. Quit and enter a game until you get one. You need to use a board with the smooth drift ability. Equip the board, jump with it, and just as you get the pogo, tap on the boost. That's it. Have fun.